Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. We're going to be making red beans with smoked turkey legs and the slow cooker. And these are absolutely easy to make, filled with lots of different flavors going on here. So I'm going to begin in the bottom of my slow cooker using dark red beans. These are my favorite that I've been using from NutStop. So I've already sorted through all the beans. You do not have to pre-soak the beans. This is the best part about this recipe. So we're going to begin with 7 cups of water, or you can use chicken stock if you're not going to use the bullion that's in this recipe. So I'm using 7 cups of hot water. And next I'm going to add a couple of cubanelle peppers that I roughly chopped. If you don't want to use cubanelle peppers, by all means you can use bell peppers. And I also roughly chopped up an onion. And in that there was a couple of cloves of garlic that I minced up and threw in there as well. So after adding the minced garlic, we're going to add 5.5 teaspoons of bullion powder, along with a couple of teaspoons of garlic powder and onion powder. There's 2 teaspoons of that, teaspoon of black pepper, as well as 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. We're adding a package of Goya sazon. This is totally optional, but you can find that product in your grocery store in the Hispanic section. Also, I'm going to be adding some sofrito, and that is a Puerto Rican condiment. It has like ground up peppers with cilantro, garlic, onions, and oil. You can make it homemade, or you can find that in the grocery store. So 3/4 of a cup of sofrito. Also, I am going to add a couple of tablespoons of liquid smoke. And by all means, guys, all these ingredients are totally optional. You could change this up how you want. I'm just mixing everything together. Make sure that bouillon powder is mixed in. And I have 2 turkey legs. You can add 1 or 2, but I'm going to use 2. So these are smoked turkey legs from Protein Country. Check out their website. You get $10 off when you enter in the discount code Tovia. I love their products. They have smoked chicken wings, and they have dried salami sticks as well. So we're going to put that into the slow cooker. We're going to cram that in there, cover it, and we're going to let this cook. You can cook this on high for 4 to 6 hours, or you can cook this on low for 7 to 10 hours. You just want to check and make sure, and you want to cook them where the beans are almost perfect. And after this is cooked, we're going to just remove the turkey legs. We're going to just shred everything off the bone and remove the skin. And after doing so, we're going to return it back to the slow cooker and let that cook for another 30 minutes, just so the turkey can cook down and get some of that juice. And then you could serve this with rice and cornbread. And this is totally amazing. This is by all means the most delicious dish I've made so far this week, because it's cold outside. Look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Let me tell you, the flavor in this is absolutely amazing as well. I hope you guys try this recipe. Please, by all means, don't forget to check out my previous videos. Follow me here on YouTube and on TikTok, because I'm going to be having some exclusive content there. And thank you so much for watching.